Hi everyone, welcome back to jalian.co.uk. We've got the special edition quarterly Wizarding Trunk box. I have subscribed, I'm on the waiting list to subscribe to the Lit Joy, so hopefully we'll be getting some of them soon. Okay, this is everyone's favourite red-headed family. Okay, so first out we've got a t-shirt. And that's really cool. You got the motif on the front and on the back. Norwegian Dragon Sanctuary. That's really cool. And we've got some recipe cards. And there's one for orange squash with the recipe. Sausage rolls, shepherd's pie, cauliflower cheese, mashed potato, and treacle tart. And we also have a nice box to put those in. And it feels like there's some blank ones in there as well. Pin, big head boy. And we've got some really cool keys. Big heavy metal Ministry of Magic key, guess that is. And the khaki, big metal, heavy khaki for the Ford Anglia. That's cool. Widder Shins box. I guess that's from the Weasley's Joke Shop. Oh yeah, it's this little dude. Can't remember its name. One of these. That's quite sweet, it's nice and soft. We've got this nice box. Lost Home, Mortal Peril, Work School, Garden in Transit. Let's get rid of the polystyrene. There we go. We've got the clock, grandfather clock. We've got a brown box with some lovely homemade mittens. And extremely heavy bruise remover potion. I have no idea what's in there. That's it. And we've got another page for the Magical Creatures book. Confidential file. Magical bites and infectious attacks. And all about a report in there from the Ministry of Magic. That's pretty cool. And we've got a print of the living room. Another nice colourful print there. And then we've got all the information about what's in, plus an address label there. And that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time at jalian.co.uk.